Welcome to the Digital Refinery Pipeline, a systematic workflow for cleaning messy data and extracting descriptive statistics using Python's pandas. Raw business data is never clean. ERP exports have blank cells, POS systems store prices as strings, CRM databases have inconsistent capitalization. Every analyst eventually learns the golden rule. 80% of data science is cleaning the raw material. Without a systematic pipeline, your averages are meaningless and your charts are wrong. This module gives you that pipeline. 6 stages from raw anomaly detection through type conversion, text standardization, explicit casting, and statistical validation. By the end, you'll have a reusable, cleaning workflow you can apply to any messy data set. The iceberg is the most honest visualization of what data analysis actually looks like, and most beginners only see the tip. The visible 20%, the outputs, aggregations, visualizations, descriptive analytics. That's what you present to a manager. The hidden 80%, the reality beneath the waterline. Detecting nulls, fixing types, standardizing inconsistent strings, dropping outliers. This is where the actual work happens. Every analyst eventually learns the golden rule shown on the right. 80% of data science is just cleaning the raw material. Real business data is messy. Without a systematic cleaning pipeline, averages are calculated on mixed types and silently produce NaN, or missing values. Characters and charts have gaps, filters, missing records. The refinery is what makes the analysis trustworthy. The raw material in this module is a realistic messy data set. 4 anomalies visible in a 5-row data frame, each representing a different class of data quality problem. Anomaly 1. Elon in the name column has extra white space, inconsistent capitalization, a text standardization problem. Anomaly 2. Gold in the tier column uses all caps inconsistently with other entries. Another text standardization anomaly and problem. Anomaly 3, none in the age under months and is active columns. Missing values will break numeric operations. Anomaly 4, 800 as a string in the YTD spent column, a numeric field storing a text value that blocks any mathematical calculation. Each anomaly requires a different cleaning technique. The refinery pipeline hands all 4 in sequence. Stage 1 of the refinery pipeline is mapping the missing data. You cannot fix what you cannot see, so the first step is always a complete audit of null values. 2 tools, df.isNull.sum, change 2 calls. IsNull generates a true-false data frame, marking every missing cell, and sum aggregates the true values per column into a count. The result is a clean map showing exactly which columns have gaps and how many. df.info provides a complementary view. Non-null count versus total rows reveals the same gaps in the structural context. The output on the right shows the result. Name and tier, 0 missing. Age and months, 1 missing. Year to date, spend, 0 missing, but it has a string anomaly. Is active, 1 missing. This map dictates the next step. Drop or fill each missing value. The null handling matrix defines the 2 options for dealing with the missing data. Drop or fill, and gives you the precise rule for choosing between them. Drop in A removes entire rows or columns containing nulls. Data loss risk is high. Best used when the nulls are rare and the specific column is critical and cannot be imputed. Syntax, df.drop in A subset is equal to a list of the column names. Target specific columns to avoid removing rows with nulls in irrelevant columns. Fill in A of some value imputes the placeholder value. Data loss risk is none, but introduces bias. Best used when you can safely assume a default, median, mode, or constant like 0. The warning at the bottom, using a blanket drop-in A is often too aggressive. Target specific columns using subset is equal to preserve the value data in rows that have nulls only in unimportant fields. df.info is your deep structural diagnostic. It reveals hidden type problems that will silently corrupt your analysis if left unfixed. The side-by-side comparison on this slide shows the diagnosis in action. The dirty data frame on the left has object D type for columns that should be numeric. Year-to-date spend contains 800, which forced the entire column to string type. The clean data frame on the right shows the correct D types, int64 and float64, for numeric columns. Tool rules for reading df.info. Spot missing values by comparing non-null counts to the total rows. Any shortfall means nulls exist. Verify numeric columns are showing a numeric D type. If a column that should hold numbers shows object, you have a string contamination blocking every arithmetic operation on that column. Stage 3 is the type conversion funnel. pd.toNumeric with errors is equal to coerce is a secret weapon for columns that contain mixed valid numbers and unparsable strings. The funnel visual shows 3 input values. 800, which is a valid integer, 800 that text cannot be converted, and 4200, which is a valid integer. After passing through pd.toNumeric of the column, errors is equal to coerce, the output is 800 nan, meaning not a number, the unreadable string is silently converted to a blank, and 4200, the coerce argument is the key. Instead of crashing your entire program on a bad value, it quietly converts the unreadable entries to nan, which you can then handle with fill in A. This is how you convert a column that is mostly numeric but has occasional text anomalies. Without errors is equal to coerce, a single bad value would raise a value error and crash. Stage 4 is text standardization conveyor belt. Chaining. str.strip and str.title fixes inconsistent capitalization and hidden white space in a single expression. The conveyor belt visual shows Elon entering with a trailing space and lowercase letters. str.strip removes the leading and trailing white space. str.title capitalizes the first letter of each word. The output is then clean Elon. The code is df of name is equal to df of name dot strip str.strip dot str.title. The crucial technical note shown on the right, because we use the .stir accessor, the single chain operation applies to every single row in the column simultaneously. No loop is required. This is vectorized string processing. Apply the same pattern to any text column that needs cleaning, category labels, region names, product descriptions, and customer names. Explicit typecasting with astype is the final refinement step. Once nulls are handled and messy strings are coerced, lock in memory efficiency by explicitly defining each column's type. The before and after visual shows is active, stores as floats, 1.0, 0.1, 1.0. Because pandas infers float when it encountered nan values after, the default is active is equal to df is active.astype of bool, the column is clean Boolean. True, false, true. the correct type, correct behavior, low memory footprint. The principle, pd.toNumeric with errors equal to coerced forces numbers out of mixed columns. Astype locks in the final intended type once the column is clean. Cast early and explicitly prevents silent type errors downstream when you filter, aggregate, or export. The prerequisite for truth shows why running df.describe on unclean data is dangerous. It produces statistically meaningless results without any warning. The dirty data frame on the left shows what happens when the numeric columns contain mixed types. Mean, standard deviation, and min return nan. For columns that have string contamination, the clean data frame on the right shows the correct summary statistics. These are meaningful, count, mean, percentiles, and max. The warning is stark. If you run df.describe on unstandardized data, pandas will silently exclude mixed type columns or produce nan aggregations. You may not notice until you present a table with blank statistics to take hold. Cleaning is not janitorial work. It is the prerequisite for statistical truths. The pipeline guarantees that truth. The refinery toolkit is your complete cheat sheet for the 6 categories of data cleaning operations. The full arsenal organized for fast lookup. Detect. df is null.sum, counts missing values. df.info shows types and counts. Handle nulls. df.drop subset is equal to the columns you want, removes the rows with nulls. df of the column.fill NA with a value imputes a placeholder. Coerce types. df.toNumeric with the column name errors is equal to coerce forces numbers, converts bad values to nan. Cast types. df of the column.asType locks in integer bool float. Standardized text. df.call.str.strip removes whitespace. df of the column.str.title formats the case. Analyze. df.describe generates summary statistics. df.groupByAcolumn.mean aggregates by group. These 6 categories applied in sequence transform any messy, raw export into a reliable analytical asset ready for visualization and business reporting.